Welcome. In this short and simple video, I will answer the question, how to get a nuke in COD Mobile. So if you would like to use the nuking ability in the Call of Duty Mobile game, you gotta meet two essential requirements. First is that you have to be you have to have the level 20 or higher here, and you gotta get 20 kills in a row without dying. So as long as those two conditions are met, the nuking or nuke will be unlocked, and well, you'll use it from the interface, while in game you'll have the prompt or tip highlighted. So for sure, once those two conditions are met, you will not miss the nuke opportunity, or well, the nuke unlock somewhere on your screen. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, so thanks for watching and bye bye.